Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Mahan Airbus A300-600 in 1/400 scale produced by Phoenix. Let's look at the airline and registration first. Mahan Air is a privately owned Iranian airline based in Tehran. Some of Mahan Air destinations include China, Kuala Lumpur and Russia. Mahan's air fleet size is 38 with aircraft like the Airbus A340, 300 and 600 variants and the BAA 146-300. The aircraft are in front of me registration EPMNN has had two previous owners which were Emirates from 1993 until 2002 where Lufthansa bought it. In 2010 Mahan Air bought the A300 only for it to be sold to Iran Air Tours in 2018 where it now spends its life. Now let's look at the Phoenix box and model. It's the standard Phoenix box with the aircraft font obviously saying Airbus A300-600. Below the aircraft name we have the digitalized image of the aircraft. Below we have Mahan Air written with the scale in the bottom left and right corners. On the back we have the airline in a much bigger size, the Phoenix logo and the limited edition writing which I'm pretty sure comes with every box and model. I must say they'd be very careful in opening this model. Phoenix do like to tighten the plastic protection around the model so expect some damage when opening. The aircraft is incredibly detailed and it was quite a shock to see how well the model was made. Starting from left to right we have the cockpit windows with the passenger doors below. Along from that we have the Iranian flag above the windows. To the right of the flag we have the Mahan Air logo and continuing along we have some Persian writing which just says Mahan Airlines. Now to the tail where we can see the Mahan Air logo and the awesome green that surrounds the tail. The model is incredibly good with great detail. I would highly recommend this model to anyone who enjoys Airbus aircraft or if you're just a collector who likes aviation. That's the end of today's video and I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.